Okay, so this is question 12 because I initially asked you to do question 2 to 7 and 12 and 14. Okay, so let's look at this question, right? So we need to find angle CDA, but we know that this is a isosceles triangle, right? So angle CDA is 180 degrees minus 66 degrees because of this angle, but there are two, right? So we just need to divide by 2. So 4 7 114 divided by 2, we get 57 degrees. Okay, now we need to write down here ISOS dot short form triangle, reasoning, isosceles triangle. Okay, then part D, angle BAC. Okay, angle BAC, we know that this is 40 degrees. Hang on. Okay, so we know that this is 40 degrees. We know this is 57 degrees. Okay, so how do we look for angle BAC? If you all recall, now this angle here plus this angle here, when you add them together, it should equals to 57 degrees, right? Because 180 degrees minus 57, I get this angle, right? This angle is 180 minus 40 minus theta, right? So which means 40 and theta, when you plus them together, should give you 57 degrees. Okay, I say again, this angle here is 180 minus 40 minus theta, alright, which means 57 is equal to 40 plus theta. Okay, so what is the rule here when we say that 40 plus theta equals to 57? This is when we say angle BAC, right, equals to 57 degrees minus 40 degrees equals to 17 degrees. Exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, exterior angles of a triangle. Why? Because this angle here is outside the triangle, so it's exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, then the last one, angle ADE. Alright, angle ADE. Now we know that this is 57. How to find this angle? Now if I draw this line here, this extend this straight line here, can you see that this is an extension? This, because of the parallel lines, right? Because of the parallel lines, okay, quite hard to see from here. Because of the parallel lines here, right? Because of the parallel lines here, this angle is 40 degrees, right? Because they are corresponding angles due to these two parallel angles. So from here, I need to find angle EDB. Oh no, not angle EDB. Angle E. Okay, let's give this a EDF again. Okay, let's call this F. EDF equals to 40 degrees because it's equals to angle ABC. Reason being, corresponding angles CORRS Why? Because AB is parallel to ED. Okay, then from here, I want to find this angle ADE. So angle ADE, 180 degrees minus 57 minus 40, 97, so 3, 17 minus 9 is 63. $83 degrees. Okay, what's the reason? Angles on a straight line equals 180 degrees. Okay, so even though they didn't state the reasoning, try to state the reasoning here because one, you need to practice, right? Okay, so if there's no question with this, let's go into final question, question 14. Okay, what type of triangle is angle ABC? Explain your answer. So, if we were to add, okay, some of you got it, but we didn't really fully explain. So, if we take angle A plus angle C, x minus 30 degrees plus 120 degrees minus x degrees, okay, x minus x, 0, 120 minus 30, 90. So if these two angles add together, if A plus angle C equals to 90 degrees, angle ABC should also be 90 degrees. Hence, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this covers the questions that I highlighted. Now I'm also going to do the video solutions for the other questions, okay, for those students who have done it on their own. Okay, good, kudos to these students for doing extra.